Hey, it's Harry from Audient, and we're here at NAMM 2019, and I'm going to take you through some of the features very quickly of our new audio interface, Sono. But first, let's have a listen to what we've got. We've got a nice rock tone going through a Friedman pedal. We'll turn that off after a little bit so you can actually hear what it sounds like, Sono on its own. But take it away, Pablo. And now this is just Sono on its own. Great. So, basically, Sono is a combination of Audient's audio interface and heritage in recording, and Two Notes, who are known for their amazing cab simulations. And we've basically combined it into this one really great product surrounding, aimed at guitarists, basically. So just to give a quick overview of what's actually happening in terms of getting the signal in and shaping that sound, we go from the instrument input into a high voltage 12 AX7 valve. This is where you get some really nice analog warmth through your signal. It then goes into a drive stage, which is a power amp in the Two Note software. So you go from clean to a nice sort of crunchy breakup, which is really great. It then goes into a 3-band EQ, and then after that into the Two Notes cab simulation. So you have A, B, and C. These are preset slots. The actual cab simulation is happening in the unit. It's all in DSP, so you're getting super low latency and no distracting delays straight off the bat. In the actual software itself, you can basically change the cab to different emulations. It comes with 20 emulations, like a mixture of different ones, something for everyone basically, including bass cabs. So you're able to change the cab, change the microphone that the cab is being mic'd with, as well as changing the room. So we can go from something like a studio into a basement, into a loft, and we're able to change how far away the mic is from the cab. So here it's a bit further away, and we're able to get a much more reverby and ambient kind of sound. And we've also changed to a ribbon mic. So you've also got some extra sort of tone controls here. So you have a contour control, which changes between modern and vintage. It's basically a really easy EQ for those that don't really want to get technically involved. Like, you know exactly what it's going to do and exactly what it's going to sound like. So that's a quick overview of just the guitar features, but it's still at its heart an audio interface. So you still have 2 console mic pre's. So these are the same mic pre's we have on our recording consoles. The first channel of which can actually be sent to the valve and to the Two Notes processing if you'd like, or just the valve if you just want to add a bit of analog warmth to whatever you're recording. There's a set of line outputs and also a set of headphone outputs at the front, easily accessible and easily controllable using the volume knobs on the top. You can also very easily monitor between input and DAW, and there's also an extra mixer software program which you can use if you're a bit more of a power user, you want to create some separate artist mixes and things like that. You can also expand this up to a total of 10 inputs by adding an optical mic pre, like a 8-channel mic pre. So you can probably get a sense of the use scenarios where you could either be maybe a beginner guitarist looking for something to get some tone, or a fully fledged studio wanting to record an entire band with 10 channels and also get some really great guitar and bass tone out of it. One of the other really important features, which is great, is the reamp. So you're able to record using the Two Notes simulation and simultaneously a clean DI. So it still goes through the valve, but you don't have this cab simulation. You can then take that clean DI, bring it out at instrument level to your own amp, and then record it with a mic into the mic pre's, and you basically just recorded your amp at a time that's convenient for you. So you could be recording the actual sound at midnight, and risk waking your neighbors up if you used a cab, but then reamp it at a later date. So that's really useful. We want to basically make this a tool for people to enhance their existing tone. Plug in your pedals, record your amp. We're not trying to replace everyone's existing setups that they've worked probably quite hard and spent lots of money on. So we think people are going to really enjoy this, and it's really going to help get creativity out a lot faster. These are looking to ship in March time. and it's pricing-wise, it's €449 including local taxes, $419.99 in UK pounds, and $449 MAP.